Hey guys, hello. So let's go. Today I want um, speak, yes, tell you about technique of our splits. Yes, we have 3 splits, and right now I will explain about right and left. And after that, the next video, I think I will explain you technique of exercise of middle split. Yes, so let's go. Take this position, please. Straight your back, please, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Please fix it and wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm so sorry. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so let's change our legs and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and also 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, cool. After that, we go to this position, and right now we will do twist. Yes, so we breathe in, go to the other side. Yes, try to push this leg to the floor, and without go to the starting position. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and also 8. So fix this position and also wait. So and feel your straight. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Cool, super. So after that, we a little bit change our position for exercise window. So why window? Because our leg will go to the window. Okay, so breathing, straight your leg with straight back. Also, your feet must be on your heel for more flexibility. Yes, so and we breathe in, we return our leg to the left side and go. Yes, and this part also window, and return also. Breathe in and breathe out. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so if this position very easy for you, please go to your elbows and also wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, cool. So after that, we straight our leg, our feet in our heel, and we do sides. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Also, 2 circles. A lot of people forget that you need also do exercise for our feet because it's the important part of our body and this foundation of our health and happy. In the feet we have a lot of points supported for us. And also another, also straight back, follow about this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Cool guys. And after that we go to the half of our split and we do 1, yes, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and also 8. Breathe in and breathe out and have a rest in this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, after that we will move to the up with this leg and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and also 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So cool. Also we'll try to sit to the left split. Okay, so I think it's perfect. Yes, I little bit cut my front leg, so I don't have any place. So maybe we'll by this, yes. So you can see this wonderful split, and also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, whew. So it's work hard. But if you will practice every day, so every day this exercise will be for you easier and easier. So guys, thank you so much that you choose spend time with me. In the video I said that I very appreciate, because it's true. I really very happy. Yes, I hope you believe me. Also, if you want make me present in this wonderful time, Christmas time, join my membership club in YouTube. Yes, and also see my old videos. It will be the best present for me. Also, if you want special videos, maybe about technique in any acrobatic poses and yoga poses, so please write, and if I can do this